All right, let's talk about passing for a second, really quick. The shape of the passing here is a little off. Unless Peter is passing, which I don't know why he's so far back here in this passing line. You got a lot of room here that Colin has to take, and a lot of room on the outside has to take. Jaren's pretty much taking almost, barely a little bit. Colin, you're just too close. It's also, Jaren's pretty good here back. Other guys are kind of close to the net. You can easily go forward. It's hard to come back. So make sure that we're at least kind of in a more of the same line here. Kind of in the passing line instead of so separated. Let's see, the jump serve comes. See, now automatically I know you're here. What's the even point of standing here if once the jump serve's in the air you have no idea where the jump serve's going? You're stepping forward. Same thing with Colin. If you're going to do this, you got to start even further back. If you're going to take accidental steps when the ball is in the air and the ball hasn't even been served yet, start further back. See how you guys are just starting to walk all of a sudden forward? You have no idea where the ball's going. You move, it clips the net. That's all right. Good reaction. Good reaction back. Colin, good. Get out of his way. Peter, you're really far back here. I don't know why you're way over there. You should already be kind of creeping in here, getting at an angle and coming in. Sorry, a little bit more diagonally like that. You're coming just straight at it. If the set happens to be over here, you can't come back and hit that direction. It's impossible for a left-sided hitter, once that ball's over his head, to hit the ball hard. So, you're anticipating an inside set, basically. You're hoping that it's inside. If you do want to set an inside lob kind of all the time, we got to work on that or something. But the set should usually be, here, not here. So Peter, get outside the court. Roan, the ball's in his hand already. You should be up. Look, ball's here. You're literally loaded underneath the net right now. This is super easy for the other middle to get you. The other middle's dumb. He's not fronting you like he should be. So if this middle was actually in your face right here, he'd just be all over you. Kyle, you're taking it at a good high point. That's good. You're taking over the net as high as you can possibly set. If you just want to set the go or the go and the lob should be exactly the same looking. It should be about 1.5 feet over the net. Your arms fully extended, pushing the ball so it kind of looks like the same contact. Keep taking it as high as you can. Roan, you're late. The guy jumps in front of you. There's no rotation. You're not falling. You're just too stiff here. Just absolutely take it down. Look how vertical you are. It's just a straight horizontal line. The ball is literally directly over your head. You want to hit it at an angle here with this. This is where you should have contacted it. For a 3, you can come in here and then you can come in like that. You don't have to come in here and then go vertical like that. Just come around and still come around here and still come kind of at that angle here so your body can go into the ball. You're using just all arm and you're not really driving into it. You're just kind of slapping at it. See how you jump and land in almost the exact same spot? You jump from right here and your feet lands right there. You just jumped completely vertical. Don't jump completely. This goes for all middles. Don't jump just completely vertical. Look at this. You literally are jumping from right here and you're landing right there. No just straight vertical jumps. You don't get any energy or body. This is just all arm now. All arm. The guy's front. The guy gets in your way. It's a high contact point, but if you were coming in sideways, you would have just bounced this ball. Instead, it's behind your head because you're jumping vertical, and then you just flail it 15 feet out of bounds. So middles, don't just come in vertical and just don't jump straight up and down. Come in, hit hard angle, jump a little bit of a broad jump.